What's up, guys? Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com, back with another SketchUp extension overview for you. So in this video, we're going to talk about a powerful urban design extension for SketchUp. So before I get started, I want to thank my newest supporter on Patreon, Ruben Ruiz. So Patreon is the website where you can support creators that you like on YouTube. And one of the perks of being a supporter on Patreon is you get to vote on the extensions that I'm going to cover every week. So if you're interested in supporting the show, you like what I'm doing here, and if you want to vote on the extensions that I cover every week, make sure you check out that link in the notes down below. Now let's go ahead and just jump into it. Plugin name, Modelur. Plugin developer, Modelur. Plugin cost, €49 or around $60 a month, or 365 euros a year. Where can you get it? You can download it from the SketchUp extension warehouse. Tool functions. This tool is a robust urban planning extension. It's designed to allow you to analyze everything from levels of stories and masses of buildings to parking, land usage requirements, and building proximity requirements, amongst other things. So in this case, I'm combining my Modelur model with the City of Denver model that I've created using the Placemaker extension, and I'll link to more information about Placemaker in the links down below. The way this extension works is fairly intuitive. You can define city blocks and usages, as well as buildings, then use those to analyze things like building layouts, parking requirements, maximum permitted site coverages, maximum building heights, and other things as well. For example, let's say that I wanted to develop this plot of land in Denver. I could draw my plot as a face in my model, then define it as a city block. From there, I can define the usage type, max heights of buildings, and a lot more information as well. Information about each block that you create can be viewed both on the heads-up display on your screen or within the Survey tab. To create a building, simply draw a building footprint as simple geometry, then click the Create Building button to change it into a Modelur building. You can then modify both the building height as well as the number of stories of your building so that you can analyze things like site coverages, parking areas, building capacities, height requirements, and more. Note that all of these things adjust on the fly, allowing quick analysis of different options. In addition, you can analyze multiple buildings on a single site as well. You can also set this extension to check things like minimum distance between building, maximum site coverage, parking, and other things too. One cool feature is that you can also set anticipated building construction and demolition dates, allowing for analysis of multiple different construction phases. For example, I could model this building with an anticipated demolition date of 2019, with a new building with an anticipated construction date of 2020. You can then adjust the time using the time slider in the survey bar to see what the area is going to look like at various stages of construction. Finally, you can optimize data to export to Google Earth for further analysis and viewing there. This extension comes with a 21-day free trial, so make sure you check out the website link in the notes down below. That's where I'm going to end this video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you thought. Is this an interesting extension to you? I just love having that SketchUp conversation with you guys. If you like this video, please remember to click that like button down below. If you're new around here, remember to click that subscribe button for new SketchUp content every week. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Every little bit helps, even if it's only $1 a month, so make sure you check out that link in the notes down below. But in any case, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.